Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a minute to go over the agenda for today so you know what the expectations are. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your summative investigation assignment. This is your summative investigation report that's due at the end of the week on Friday. You're going to open it up and you're going to type in your research question and then the hypothesis that you wrote in last class. So it looks like this. You will have a document button up here and you will click on that document button and it will create this assignment in your Google Drive. So you will type in a title for your investigation report, which needs to have your groups and variables in it. And then you will type in your research question and your hypothesis. You can delete the materials and procedure part because we're not going to do that. You're going to get all of your data from ptable.com. By the end of class today, you should have your report title, your research question, your hypothesis, and then you're going to make a graph, which you will copy and paste in this data section. And that's what you should have done. If you don't get that done, you'll need to finish that for homework and let me know that you don't get it done. All right, back to the agenda. So in order to make a graph, I created a page in Schoology. This is in your Unit 1 project folder, but you can click on it right here. So depending on the type of question that you wrote, there is a video lesson to show you how to make the graph. So for example, if you wrote a variability question, then you are going to make a histogram, and there's a video there that shows you how to do that. All of these videos are 5 minutes or less, and they're relatively easy to understand. So after you watch the video, you are going to go to the spreadsheet template. You will find the type of graph that you're going to make a copy of it. So you'll go to File, Make a Copy. And so you'll make a copy of this so you can type into it and edit it, and you'll share that with me. And then you can choose the type of graph that you need to make to answer your question. So down at the bottom, you have these tabs. So if you are doing the histogram, you click on the histogram tab, and you're going to put your variable in here and then your numbers. Make sure that you have units with your variable, and as you do that, the data should go into the graph, okay? If you have any questions about this or if something's not working, just send me a message through Schoology or an email and I'll get back to you. Again, if you don't finish because you get stuck and you can't figure it out, then you need to let me know because I will need to tag you to finish. All right, back to the agenda. So once you make your graph, you're going to copy and paste the graph into your paper. So the way that you do that is you click on the graph, you open up the 3-dot menu, you can copy the chart, and then you can go to the data section in your paper and paste it in. And I would like you to paste it in linked to your spreadsheet. So if anything is wrong with your graph, you can quickly click on it and it will take you back to your spreadsheet to edit the graph. All right. Good luck. If you have any questions, send me a message.